The MCB machine features design improvements that increase both operations and maintenance. The first one is the yoke. Our machines use a forged reinforced yoke with large pivoting points, reducing top roll deflection and enhancing precision. The second one is the frames. Our compact frames not only facilitate the ejection of formed workpieces, but also enable the forming of extreme cones without any interference. Also, maintenance is streamlined with our planetary guides technology that has several key benefits. For example, friction-free movement. The absence of regular lubrication requirements, thanks to permanently lubricated bearings, simplifies maintenance and enhances machine longevity. But also energy efficiency and durability. In fact, our design maximizes energy efficiency and reduces wear, even with accumulated mill scale, ensuring that the guides maintain their integrity over time. To sum up, the MCB plate roll is designed to keep the operations of every client running smoothly and efficiently, with maximum uptime and reduced maintenance costs.